For the last 2 days, community health workers gathered in front of the Mongay Mental Hospital with the support of their union representatives in protest action. The protest action coincides with Mental Health Awareness Week observed worldwide from October 1st to the 7th. The mental health workers began mild industrial action on September 25th wearing union t-shirts to protest what they claim to be scant courtesy given by the authorities in the Ministry of Health in response to their grievances. These issues include improper compensation as they are not paid a traveling allowance despite doing over 700 miles of travel per month in their respective areas, lack of tools to fulfill their job requirements, unpaid claims and understaffing. Public Relations Officer of the Public Workers Union, Daisy Hazard, said that they will not back down until something is done.
Men and women here cannot be asked to continue to bear the burden of a society on their backs. Once the union and once members and workers begin a course of industrial action, there is no backing off, there is no stepping away, there is no stepping down until and unless persons receive at least some of what they're looking for, or all, if not all of what they're looking for. So once we've started, and we started last week, we're going until it's over, until it's done, until we can come back to the public and say that some of what these persons need, or all of it, at least just to be able to conduct their jobs day to day for the community, for the people of Grenada, we're not stepping back from it.
Hazard claims that the Ministry of Health are yet to address the workers' issues, but have sought an end to the industrial action.
We received word from the PS General Hospital, whose under which authority these nurses fall, asking us to give them some more time. Well, how much more time? 20 years has not been enough. 26 years has not been enough. 1 year has not been enough. So how much more time? So no, we're not able to do that. They've asked that we call off the industrial action. And this industrial action started with simply a photograph of these persons in union t-shirts. So we've not, today is the highest point of escalation that we have come to. And we're being asked, with no further guarantees, to ask these persons to call off the industrial action. That's unconscionable. But there are administrators who are saying to these people incredulously, what is that again? Where that come out? I don't know nothing about that. I don't know nothing about all you not having phones. I don't know nothing about you all requiring or needing the use of government, for government to provide you with a phone. We don't know anything about you not receiving proper compensation for your bus fares. Well, if those persons are sitting in those capacities and in those offices and those chairs and they do not know, they should demit.
Acting Prime Minister and Minister for Mobilization Andy Williams, who was at the mental hospital during the protest, said he was just doing a cordial visit to the facility when he noticed the industrial action by workers.
I had a staff who lost a child yesterday, so I visited the hospital yesterday. I decided this morning to make a pass here. After here, I go down by Melville Street down there, just a general pass. And when I came here, I happened to see this ship this morning, and I spoke to the union representative, and we had a chat on it, and I just engaged the workers, and that's it.
For GBN News, I am Rena Thomas reporting.